Welcome to BTW Garage. Today we're reviewing the Airlift Performance 3H and 3P air ride system that we installed on a 2017 Volkswagen GTI. As you'll see in the instructions here is a great color instruction booklet, well detailed. The controls here were pretty decent once you get them set up. It shows up any air leaks in the system. You can pinpoint it. You can adjust the ride, preset settings. As you can see, as we continue through these instructions here, you can see all the components that come with it. The only thing that wasn't really clear was setting up the original ride height once you installed the kit. But other than that, it was really solid kit. Customer's really happy with it. I would like to see in a few more clips for the securing the airlines. But other than that, overall, it was a nice kit to install. It didn't take more than a Saturday with a couple guys, and I think anybody could do this on a weekend. They take their time and read the instructions carefully. So good job, Airlift Performance. Okay guys, here's the compressor, the air tank, and the control module. This Airlift Performance kit was a nice solid kit to put in. The next picture you'll see is the remote. Nice clear display, plenty of presets in it. This is a nice solid kit overall. Very impressed with how quick this kit can go from all the way up to all the way down in just a matter of seconds. Airlift Performance did a solid job putting this kit together.
Take it back up.
I mean, you and a couple buddies can put this in on a weekend and have a really nice kit. Look forward to more products from these guys.
Down one more time.
If you like this video, post in the comments down below. Let us know what else you'd like to see. We do a lot of older vehicles. We're working on a 79 Ford pickup. We're working on a 34 coupe. We've done a couple of Volkswagens, so let us know what you want to see. We'll try and get some more content on here. We're really trying to grow this channel, so tell your friends, hit that subscribe button. We're going to be doing we're going to try and make it more entertaining as well as educational, but this is just to share what we know and what we're learning. So hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.